Haya ndo anonzi mawani chao mawani ndiri dhora iri rinofanira kukwana zvinhu zvakawanda. Dhora iri rinofanira kutenga zvinhu apa but ndikashandisa manje mari yebhazi yekuenda padeni but ndo anonzi mawani but amene kokwazi kuti amene ushetika eish.
Baby. And I was talking about this, so
what are we doing here?
No, I just thought change of scenery. Change of scenery.
Are we going anywhere?
No, we're just going to find somewhere to sit.
Oh.
To the aid.
Okay.
And I just thought, no life. That's a piece of it.
Chi. Chi, baby.
My way.
Chico.
My. Some shit.
Chico.
Coin.
What is it?
That one's a coin.
No, baby, it's fine. I can give you.
No, aiwa. My principles angu semuruma abvumize kuti undipe like I'm supposed to be taking care of you. I'm supposed to be taking care of you. I can't ngatotsvaga kweniro. Ngatotsvaga kweniro. Ngatotsvaga.
Kukwatava.
Shit. No, baby, go retrace my steps. Do you understand?
Alright.
But ichi genius move genius move. Kutonyebezera kuti angatadonza coin apa sitastomborina coin rashna sekuru. Chifiri umo. But unobuda coin ibaba. Unogona kutemba kakwarati. Arobuda sekuru. Munadya mafruits kawo. A few good fruits inobuda. Ainobuda sekuru. Ainototi buda sekuru. Rikatombonyebezera zvangu kutsvaga.
But what is this, Amana? Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing. But you think I'm busy ignoring people with beards in my DMs? Could I get it, Joji? Wow, hey? Wow. You know what? Shit. Let me just give him the money. But honestly, I think I'm going to block him as soon as I get home. I can't believe I actually got out of bed for this. Hey, could I get it, Joji? Wow. A date in the park. Baby, what wanna?
Antina, Andubisha.
You know what? Let me just give you Antina coin. Dashaya uncle. What down there, baby? Let me just give you.
I want to read $2.
Do you send tonight?
I still one bit. Apa romance is another ronga zaza fina mtu ndosha. Ari kaniperekeza.